What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Green Square in request for Lachlan Walsh. I'm on platform number 1. Platform number 1 is for City Circle services via Museum. Over across the tracks there is platform number 2, which is for Revesby, Macarthur and Kingsgrove services. There's a train approaching platform number 1, Town Hall service via Museum. It is a KSET K66. KSETs will be replacing Sector 2 S sets after this long weekend. K95 is the rear 4 cars. K66 and K95 departing platform number 1, City Circle via Museum.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Town Hall via Museum. First stop, Central, then Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall.
We've got a Waratah arriving into platform number 2, Macarthur via Walleye Creek service. A12 is the set.
Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall.
Just wait for it to depart. Doors are closing now. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. See you all on the next vlog. Goodbye for now.